Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Have a good day. I am Jonalyn Macorol, 37 years old. I have live-in partner and I have 3 children. The ages is 17-year-old, the second is 11-year-old. My youngest is 6 years old. I am graduate high school.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong for my family, to give better life and for my children education needs.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong, 3 years and 7 months as a domestic helper, and I have experience in Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, in 2 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities to clean the whole house like ironing, vacuuming, washing clothes, hang the clothes, wash the dishes, and other things in the house.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir. I take care of a newborn.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a newborn?
I took care of a baby for bathing, changing diaper and clothes, and also I sterilized the baby bottle for milk.
Aside from taking care of a newborn baby, what is your skills?
My skills is I know how to cook a Filipino dish, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and
So,
that's it.
what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It's a necessary to be a good domestic helper is to be a loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, loving, and caring person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Yes, sir. To my future employer, hi, hello po. Please choose me, select me as a domestic helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, loving, and caring person, and I am hardworking and hoping to consider my application. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.